Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today it is Friday, it's 1:50 here in Reno, Nevada. I got a Walmart order. It's the first Walmart order that I've taken in over a year. And it's basically because I've only been getting Walmart orders. Backstory, I'm doing a show at Grand Sierra Resort called Viva La Cirque. It's a circus show. Living in a hotel right now, and there's a Walmart across the street. So as I log in and I'm trying to get orders, like a decent one, because I'm actually going to Home Depot right now, so I'm trying to do some casual dashing. I gotta buy some wood for our ramp in the show. Anyway, so I'm trying to get some in order to go north, and all I got so far was a Walmart order, and I really don't want to do a Walmart order, but we're gonna do it. So it's $8.75 for 3.2 miles, and this is the first order that I've gotten in the last half hour that is over $1 a mile. I've been getting some ridiculous orders, and I think Doordash is just angry at me right now. They're not trying to give me any good orders. So it is what it is. We're doing a Walmart order. Hopefully Walmart, I don't know. I don't even know what to expect from a Walmart order anymore. Like the last time I did a Walmart order was like probably a year and a half ago. So Walmart order review, here we go. So we just pulled up. I've actually been here for about 5 minutes, calling them over and over and over, trying to get them to answer the phone. They finally answered the phone, which is kind of annoying. And we're just chilling here. Guess you just pull up to this reserved sign. This girl next to me has a gigantic hickey on her neck. Can you see that hickey? That's so noticeable. Anyways, so I don't know why I had to point that out, though. There's just a gigantic, super noticeable hickey on that DoorDash driver right there. So anyways, we're just chilling here, waiting for the order to come out, because she's actually here. Alright, I thought that order was for me, but apparently it wasn't. It's too good to be true. So probably going to be a while. I expect this to take a while. I take that back. The order is totally already here. And I guess he just loads it into the car for me, so. Alright, so actually, this order's turning out pretty good. It's not even the arrival time yet, and I already have the order in my car. Damn, Walmart might be good. Actually, I might be pretty surprised, you know? Anyway, so also just want to throw it out there, if you guys want to get tip transparency, meaning you get texted from this app called Para every time you get an order, so that way you know if there's going to be the full, or if there's going to be a post tip or not. Click that link down below. It's right there at the top of my description. And yeah, all you got to do is sign up. You do have to type in your DoorDash credentials and all that, yada yada. And yeah, then basically you will get a text message, which is very convenient for orders, especially when it's like a bigger order and there is like a post tip and you don't know about it. You'll get a text and it'll let you know the exact payout, so that way you don't have to take the risk, you know. I enjoy it. Some people say you might get deactivated. I don't think you're gonna get deactivated. No one's been deactivated. So that being said, do it at your own risk, you know. It's up to you. Like I said before, I enjoy jumping off 80-foot cliffs for fun. I probably wouldn't suggest it to anyone else, so just do it at your own risk. Anyway, so alright, picking up this Walmart order. Seemed like there was a lot of bags in there, so hopefully it's a pretty easy order. I'm probably gonna have to make 2 trips of carrying these groceries, but it is kind of nice how they just come out and fill up your car full of groceries and you don't have to do anything. So, and plus this order is extremely convenient because I just looked it up and it's right next to Home Depot. So super convenient for me, at least. And hopefully this wood, I need to buy a 4x8 piece of masonite. If anyone doesn't know what that is, that's usually what we cover. It's like this nice slippery surface on top of the ramps that we cover the ramps with. It's like this cardboard wood. Anyways, so be right back. Alright, just pulled into the apartment complex and just kind of looking around trying to find this freaking apartment. I hate apartment complexes, especially ones in foreign cities that I don't know like at all. I feel like I know the ones in Vegas pretty well, but here in Reno, I am basically, it's like a needle in a haystack. I have no idea. I don't know, DoorDash always gives you this pinpoint. I wish they could pinpoint where the freaking exact apartment is. And I know there's another app, I forget what it's called, I did a video on it before, but I'm just being kind of lazy and I don't want to open it, but maybe I will. What is it called again? What is this app called again? I don't know. Cannot find it. Anyways, alright, be right back. I gotta find this freaking apartment. Ugh, what a freaking moron. Man. Thanks, person who freaking Amber. Okay, so basically, this dumbass, excuse my language, puts her building number, but doesn't put her apartment number. Then I'm sitting there, like, standing outside the building, like, looking at, like, well, there's 101 through, like, 120. It could be any one of these 20 numbers. What do I do? So I'm sitting there calling her over and over and over. She's not answering. She never answered. Her neighbor comes out and is like, can I help you with something? I'm like, do you happen to know where Amber lives? And she's like, oh yeah, she's at 119. I'm like, oh, thank you. I ring the doorbell, she never answers anything, so I took a photo. It's like, how do you order food and you just don't sit by your phone? Like, what if I just drove off? Like, I easily could have drove off from that order, but I don't want all of her groceries. So, I don't know. That wasn't even like a Walmart order. Like, I mean, it was a Walmart order, but it wasn't Walmart's fault that it sucked so bad. Sorry, cleaning the lens. But, God, Jesus, that was so annoying. Like, that took me like 20 minutes almost. I don't even know why I stood there for 20 minutes. I should have just left. I really should have. But, Amber, you are you should be very thankful of your neighbor. Like, how do you forget your building number? Or how do you forget your freaking apartment number? You put your building, she put building 18, but did not put an apartment number. Like, come on now, how dumb you gotta be. Anyways, alright, so that is a great way to start off the day. It was only $8.75. There's no post tip or anything. But, fortunately, Home Depot is right across the street, basically. So, it was at least a good casual dash. You know, we like are basically in the right spot for an order. So, anyways, I don't think I'm going to take you guys to Home Depot because that would be boring. I don't think you guys clicked on this video to watch me go shopping for wood for my skate ramps. But, anyways, again, click that link down below. Go download the Para app and get the tip transparency. If you want, take everything I say with a grain of salt. You know, like, people think that you can get deactivated. I don't think so. No one's been deactivated. It's all lies. No one's been deactivated, okay? So, that's just a fact. Anyways, also, if you guys haven't yet, please consider checking out my footwear company. Go to offaxisacrobatics.com and hit that link down below. Use my discount code OFFAXIS10. It'll get you 30% off. And that is the footwear that I design personally, sell it, and yeah, do all that stuff. It's great shoes. Like, I wear them every day, all day. You will only see me wearing Off-Axis Ninjas. That's my favorite shoe right now. So, anyways, that being said, please consider smashing the like button and subscribe. And also, I just did a interview about an hour ago with this guy named Chad, the gig economist. So, if you guys haven't yet, go check out that interview. This video is coming out today. I'm going to go edit it and upload it today. So, I think his interview is actually coming out tomorrow. So, check out his interview tomorrow with me. It was like an hour and 10 minutes long. So, if you guys want to see some long form content of the gig stuff, go check out Chad's channel and my interview, which comes out tomorrow. I think that's everything I needed to say. I don't know. I haven't been doing very many vlogs lately. So, anyways, that being said, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Drive safe. Yep. I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely underestimated how big this board was, or I overestimated how big the car is, because I have a piece of wood right above my head. Anyways, that's how the rest of this day is going. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.